Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 7085. This is your trailer light mounting bracket for your 4-inch round trailer lights. Let's check it out. All right, so part number 7085. This is your steel trailer light mounting bracket for your 4-inch round lights. It's an L bracket, as you can see. So you can mount it up like this, or down like this, or sideways like this. And it has the screw holes as well, so you can use the rubber grommet lights like this on there, with the rubber on there. Or you can also use the lights that screw in, like the flush mount lights. So multiple purposes there. Should cover all the round lights for you. And we'll just measure it out real quick. It is powder coated black, so it's not going to rust up. So the center hole measurement, 4.52, might as well call it 4.5 inches. And the screw holes, if you're doing like a flush mount or screw in light, from center to center on this one, 4.34. Or if you want to go all the way across, which would be smarter, it's going to be 5 inches all the way across. That's the smart way to do it. Bracket size is 6 inches by 1.25 inch. And the screw holes right here is going to be 4 inch on center. 4 inch on center on the screw holes. So if you're going to install this, obviously you would screw them in, screw it onto your trailer. And then if you're doing the rubber grommet, you would just put the rubber grommet in first and just work it around like this. And then check the back side to make sure you got this lip right here all the way in. There's a lip on this rubber grommet, so you want to make sure that came all the way through and it's on the back, because if not, it will fall right out. So once that's in there, you just stick your light in here and press in your light, like so. Or if you have the screw-in type, just simply stick it on there, line up the holes, screw in, screw in, screw in. Simple and done. Easy peasy. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.